Hi everyone. Now we'll learn third social studies first unit, the universe. The topic is that origin of the universe. Let's start. In the previous session, we see the first session. So there is some answers of that session. The question one: what is universe? So universe is defined as the totality of everything that exists, such as the sun, the moon, the stars, the planets, and the galaxies. So whatever the sun, moon, stars, and planet and the galaxy together known as universe. Second question: define heavenly bodies. The sun, the moon, and all the stars in the sky are called heavenly bodies. Let's start our today's session. So it is an individual activity. How do you think the universe come into existence? Do you have any idea? Let's learn about it. The topic is that origin of the universe. Scientists hold the view that the universe was formed by the Big Bang. So what is in the Big Bang? You can see that there is an explosion in the mass of fire or a fireball. You can see that there is a very hot and very powerful ball-like structure of fire of balls. So this causes blast or explosion. So that is called Big Bang. And through that Big Bang, the universe come into existence. That is existence. So you can see that in this situation, the Big Bang is there, and from that Big Bang, the universe is formed. So what is included in the universe? There is the sun, the other planets or celestial bodies, and stars there. So scientists believe that by the Big Bang, the universe is created. So what is Big Bang? It is believed that the billions of years ago, there was a big explosion. You can see that there is a big explosion or a bang, and a huge fireball was created. You can see that there is a blast or the explosion, and because of that blast, a fireball was created. So this incident which forming the fireball is known as Big Bang. Understand everybody? The formation of fireball or creation of the fireball by the big explosion or a bang is known as Big Bang. So whatever the fireball which is formed by the explosion eventually means at the end cooled and form the tiny particles. You can see that this is a fireball which is very hot. So at the end slowly it becomes cool and it form the various tiny particles. So these tiny particles can be grow into many galaxies. So thus universe was created. So we can simply understand that there is a Big Bang and which can cause the fireball, and fireball is cooled down into tiny particles to which create the galaxy. Understand? So galaxy is created by the cooling of the fireball. And how does the fireball created? By the explosion. The Big Bang created everything. So you know that this is an explosion. So that is called Big Bang. So this create the universe that include the stars, galaxies, and planets in one huge explosion. So you can understand it's a fireball which is a huge or big explosion, so which can create the universe, star, galaxies, and planets. So the next important thing is that what is cosmology? The study of universe is known as cosmology. Understand? Means in the cosmology we study the universe which contain all the galaxies, all the stars or the planets or the different kinds of moons. So this is our today's achievement. So these are the question. So learn and write the answer. First question, define the term Big Bang. What is the Big Bang? You have to give the definition. Second, what did create by the Big Bang? Means what different things created by the Big Bang. And fill in the blanks. Scientists hold the view that the universe was formed by the dash. And the last point, the study of the universe is known as dash. So carefully learn the PPT once again. Learn the answer and write it. Okay. Thank you.